Mastering the art of concluding, understanding, as a final note. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase that often pops up in conversations, presentations, and writings. As a final note. This phrase is a key tool in the English language, helping speakers and writers conclude their thoughts gracefully. Let's explore why it's so important and how you can use it effectively. As a final note is a transitional phrase used to introduce the final point, observation, or piece of advice in a discussion. It signals that the speaker or writer is about to wrap up their argument or presentation. This phrase is important because it prepares the audience for a conclusion, drawing attention to a key takeaway or summarizing insight that the speaker wants to emphasize. It's like saying, before we part, here's one last important thing to remember. You can use, as a final note, in various contexts, such as academic presentations, business meetings, or even casual conversations, whenever you're concluding your thoughts. Here's how to effectively use this phrase. In presentations, after covering all your main points, use it to introduce a concluding statement that leaves a lasting impression. In essays or articles, to signal the end of your discussion and introduce a final thought or summary. In conversations, when summarizing your thoughts or giving one last piece of advice. Let's look at a few examples to see how, as a final note, can be seamlessly incorporated into different scenarios. Academic presentation. As a final note, I'd like to emphasize the importance of ongoing research in this field. Business meeting. As a final note, remember that teamwork and communication are key to our success. Casual conversation. As a final note, don't forget to enjoy the journey, not just the destination. To make the most out of this phrase, keep these tips in mind. Be concise. Your final note should be impactful yet succinct. Stay relevant. Ensure that your concluding remark is directly related to the topic at hand. Highlight importance. Use this opportunity to emphasize the most crucial takeaway. Thank you for joining us to explore the significance and usage of as a final note in English communication. This phrase is a powerful tool to conclude your thoughts effectively, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using as a final note in your future conversations and writings. Remember, mastering the art of concluding is just as important as starting strong. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.